Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone 14 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first you need to reach phone dialer, then go to contacts and pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. So actually we need to find some contact without current photo, then tap on edit and select add photo. Here you can either take a photo, choose something from your gallery, add some emoji, enter some letters, then you can also create and add memoji or emoji right here. But let me choose a picture. Now you can customize it as only you wish, tap on choose and click on done to apply the picture. And this is it. From now on I will have this picture assigned, and anytime he will be calling, I'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that would be all. Obviously you can change this profile picture whenever you wish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.